My dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about the comparison of SN1 and SN2 mechanism, unit number 6, haloalkane and haloarene. See, SN1 and SN2, you can differentiate in this way easily. First one, SN1 stands for substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. But SN2 stands for substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. SN1, the one indicates it follows first order kinetics. SN2, the 2 indicates the reaction follows second order kinetics. Number 3, SN1 is a 2-step process, whereas SN2 reaction is a 1-step process. Generally, tertiary alkyl halides undergo SN1 type of reaction, but primary alkyl halides readily undergo SN2 type of reaction. In SN1, step 1 is the formation of carbocation, and step number 2, attack of nucleophile towards the carbocation to give the product. But in SN2, reactant forms a transition state. Immediately the transition state is unstable, it becomes converted to products. Thank you.